What's up, guys? Grill season is here, but we're leaving the grill, for now, turning burgers into high-protein burger bowls that take even less time to make. So let's jump right into it. Start this one by taking out a stovetop pan and turning your burner on medium heat. Once your stovetop pan heats up, add in a tablespoon of oil and 1 pound of lean ground beef, chicken, or turkey. Break it up a bit. Follow that by adding in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 3/4 a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, and 2 teaspoons of mustard. For some optional extra kick, you can add in a little crushed red pepper. And remember, if you don't like any of the ingredients here, don't use them. You can find more variations, substitutes, and/or metric conversions at theproteinchef.co, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Keep everything moving for around 5 to 8 minutes or until your beef is brown. While that's browning, let's put together the rest of our bowl. I usually make 2 bowls with 1 pound of meat, so keep in mind you'll want to double this portion of the recipe if you're only making 1 bowl. Add into your bowl 1 to 2 cups of leafy greens. I used a spring mix, a couple slices of a chopped up onion, a few tomatoes, some pickle slices, 1 tablespoon of bacon bits, and for an optional carb source, cooked baby potatoes like I'm using, homemade sweet potato fries, rice or quinoa, and so on. This poses my question of the day. What's your favorite side with a burger? Drop it below. From here, add in half your burger mix and sprinkle on 1/4 a cup of shredded cheese. You can now either top it with your favorite sauce or make your own with Greek yogurt. To make your own, you'll need half a cup of a plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of relish, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of onion powder, and a pinch of black pepper and salt. Mix those together and top it with half. In the end, it should look like this. Couple tips for these bowls. Number 1, add in your favorite burger toppings if you don't see them here. Other spices or sauces, mushrooms, jalapenos, pineapple, the list is endless. Number 2, you can make and chop up burger patties instead of browning your beef if you want a different texture. Number 3, I rarely promote new kitchen things, but I swear by one of these meat choppers. It's at least twice as fast as a spatula. You collectively add that amount of time saved up over the course of your entire life, it has to be at least a few days worth. And that's worth the $5 or $10 one of these costs. No, this isn't sponsored, but I'll drop a link to mine below. The winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating was Bang! Congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're gonna go with this many baby potatoes. Guess how much you think they weigh in grams in the comments below. The first one closest to it will win either shirt or shaker. 1 guess per person. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more meal prep ideas like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy. Say hello.